We're helping customers save water, money, lower their bills, and protect our local environment with our monthly challenge. Plus, by taking part, you'll even have the chance to win exciting prizes. Simply set your personalised water saving target by choosing your challenge level. Then you'll need to build your challenge by picking from a list of tailored water saving actions to complete towards your target. These actions can range from turning the tap off when you brush your teeth or collecting rainwater in a water butt. You'll then earn a prize entry for each week you track your water saving actions. So that's 4 extra entries each week you track. If you successfully beat the challenge and hit your target, you'll earn an extra entry and even get the chance to spin the wheel to unlock bonus entries. Customers in our region currently use 155 litres of water a day, and that's 20 to 30 litres more than the national average. By making small changes, we can all play a part in securing water for the future. Join the My Water Footprint Challenge today and start making a difference.